Chris, what has happened to the spring?
It's not my fault, Rita, that's all
Well,
I'll say.
it might be.
But yes, it's a lot colder today. If you've been outside, you must have noticed the change. For some of us, temperatures are actually 9 degrees Celsius lower than they were this time yesterday. Boomer, for example, in northeast England, 14 yesterday, just 5 degrees Celsius this afternoon. And there's some more snow to come as well. This is Argyll and Bute, just in the last hour with the snow coming down heavily. We've also seen some snow in Licky End in Worcestershire. The big chunky flakes here, well, temperatures were a bit above freezing and that helps the snowflakes stick together, hence those big chunky flakes.
Hello there, good afternoon. It's certainly feeling a lot colder today than it was yesterday. It was a chilly start to the morning with some clouds, some showery outbreaks of rain. Some of those showers had a bit of a wintry flavour to them earlier too. This is Muswell Hill as captured by one of our weather watchers, but the cloud has now cleared.
It was sunny but chilly today.
Yes.
Is it going to get warmer?
Well, this is the general idea. I mean, things do a bit up and down in springtime, but it was actually in the sunshine today, warm. I could feel it coming through my coat. And we were nearly laughing with the Met Office this morning when they said, well, there's actually a bit of UV, level 3.
Oh, wow.
I know, sunscreen, can you believe it? At least we're talking about it. Here we go, here's the forecast. Well, how lovely was it today to see this, our old friend, the sunshine and the blue sky as well, very welcome. But we give with one hand and take away with the other because we have got some more showers tonight, I'm afraid. Then things clear up and we've got a cold and frosty start to tomorrow morning. Watch out possibly for a bit of ice where it's been damp. And then tomorrow a mostly dry day, but things are turning wetter and windier later on in the afternoon and evening. We have got quite a fluctuation in temperatures as well. It's been cold today and quite chilly tomorrow. Then we've got some milder air coming in as we go through the back end of the week. But into Sunday, those temperatures look like they might drop down again. And then the mild air returns. Quite a volatile temperature setup, but that is not uncommon at this time of year as we go from winter into spring. As for the evening, if you are heading out, I'm afraid things are turning a bit wetter and windier, and that feature moves through Wednesday night, clearing into Thursday, but Thursday's still a bit unsettled. Similarly, the rest of the week, but look at those temperatures just creeping up. That's it. See you later. Cheerio.
Louise Lear is here with the snow.
I don't know about you, Sophie. Every time I looked out of the window at home today, I had a different weather story. We literally have had 4 seasons in one day. Yes, we've had some snow, those beautiful big dancing snowflakes. But if you've not had snow, you might have had some sharp, thundery downpours, as we saw across Scunthorpe through the middle part of the afternoon. We also had some sunshine. It's been a colder day for all of us, but across parts of Gloucestershire and South Wales, we did actually scrape double digits, 11 Celsius, and lovely blue sky and sunshine to come. What on earth is going off? Well, the frontal system that's brought this wintry mix still has to clear away. This little fella here, it will do so over the next few hours, and this little bump in the isobars is what's known as a ridge of high pressure. Basically means things will quieten down and stay quite calm, and with clear skies through the night, temperatures really are expected to fall away, particularly where we've got lying snow. We could see -10 in Highland Scotland. So it's going to be a cold, icy, frosty start to tomorrow morning. Beautiful sparkling sunshine though.
What have you got for us?
Well, Rez, it was quite a strange day of weather, wasn't it? A lot colder than it was yesterday. Some sleety showers earlier on this morning, and then a few more showers through the afternoon. Gorgeous weather watcher photo here of that shower cloud just over Hammersmith Bridge. But for much of the day, we were treated with lots of sunshine. It is spring after all, and you have to forgive me for the next weather watcher photo because I just couldn't resist the ducklings on the Thames. Isn't it sweet? Is it going to be spring-like for the rest of the week? Well, not really. It will be dry tomorrow, and the air is set to turn a lot milder, but it'll also be rather unsettled. So after tomorrow, wet and windy for much of the time.
And it's feeling a lot colder, isn't it, for many of us? Alex is here with all the details. I blame you, of course.
I always get the blame. I'm happy to take it as well. Yes, it has been fairly chilly today, and we are still dealing with some wintry conditions across some northern parts of the UK. This was the scene at Cumbria earlier today, a few centimetres still on the ground, and that could well get topped up as we head through the next few days. There are still weather warnings for snow and ice in place, and yes, this evening certainly these ones are very much in place across northwestern parts of Scotland and also down towards the southwest there as well. Moving on to Wednesday, we see those snow and ice warnings slightly expanded, but we also get some rain warnings also thrown into the mix as we start to see milder air pushing in. So as we fast forward till Thursday, it is going to be a fairly wet picture for many parts of the country, and there will be a lot of surface spray, which could cause some tricky driving conditions. Let's now take a look at how it's all going to be panning out over the next few days for Cheltenham. This was the scene earlier today, as I'm sure you saw slightly earlier in the programme. Fairly fine conditions, broken clouds, sunny spells pushing through. But as we fast forward over the next 3 days, it is going to be a little more changeable. So let's take a look at what we can expect. If you are one of the lucky few going to the races, I'm hoping to go myself on Thursday. Wednesday, we're expecting sunny spells and a few showers, still feeling quite chilly, temperatures in single digits. Thursday, outbreaks of rain, some of which could be quite heavy. As for Wednesday, a real mix of sunshine and showers, but milder conditions all round. Yeah, so we're going to lose the wintry element, but we're going to gain a fair amount of rain, which could lead to some surface spray and flooding. So that's something to watch out for if you're driving home in the evenings in particular.
OK, Alex, thank you.